So in this video, I want to show you your customers tab where you can go in and actually see all your different customers. All right. Here's all the different customers that you have, and you can see the ones that actually have a credit card on file. And then you can, if you want to, you can delete those customers. If you want to see more information about them, you can just click on this details. So I'm going to click on this details here for this particular customer. And I want you to notice that you'll be able to see the actual card on file, the card that they have on file, and the information about the card that they have on file. You'll be able to see their name, when they were created, the last time that they were actually updated. That means the last time they paid something. And you'll be able to see any information that you have collected about them, their card information. If they have any bank accounts connected, then you'll be able to see their connected bank accounts. And then you'll also be able to see here all the invoices they have, what the lifetime value is. So I can see that this person has already paid me $803. And I can see, do they owe me any money? Are there any invoices outstanding? And I have a quick link to see all the invoices from this particular customer. So these are all the invoices from this particular customer, and I can see that they're all actually paid up. All right. So this customer tab shows you the information that you want to see about your customers. It shows, hey, what subscription plans are they on? Are they subscribed to any different subscription plans? The lifetime value, you know, how much is this customer worth to you? How much money have they paid? And just the general information about that customer. And then you can always go in if you want to see if they canceled their subscription or anything. If you need to sync data with Stripe, you can just go in and click this button to sync data with Stripe, and then we'll pull back more information in case something happened in Stripe that we weren't actually aware of. You can just sync that information. All right.